How to fix Roblox, number of items you don't own in this outfit. So I'm going to show you two ways. So the first way is clicking right here and then going to avatar, and basically we want to locate the item that we get an error message for. So for example, let's say it's this hat. So if you get an error message for it, we just want to unwear it. So just remove it from your outfit. So that's one way of how you can fix this error. And the second error that I figured out is just going to the marketplace and searching for the item that you get an error message for. So if it's a hat, for example, search for a hat and go through it. So let's say we get this fluffy hat and we don't own it, we just gotta buy it, and then you will no longer get this error message. So those are two ways of how you can actually fix this error. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.